AI is rewriting our economy, and it runs on one language: mathematics. But global math proficiency among K-12 students is at a historic low, due to a lack of both content and emotional support. Decades of research prove one-on-one human tutoring works, moving students 2 standard deviations ahead. But there's a massive gap in access. Most public schools simply cannot afford it. Plus leverages AI superpowers such as pattern recognition, data tracking, and coordination, and human superpowers like providing motivation, building trust, and reading the room. This combination makes expert tutoring both effective and scalable. Here's what that looks like. Before sessions, AI acts as a coach. Tutors train through simulations, real scenarios like a student saying, "I'm just not good at math." They practice responses and build pedagogical skills at scale before ever meeting a real student. During sessions, AI becomes a co-pilot. It surfaces student momentum. Are they progressing or stuck? It highlights key observations. Where exactly are they struggling? It provides talking points. How might we smoothly intervene? The tutor sees the full picture and decides how to respond. After sessions, AI guides reflection. It prompts tutors to reflect on each student's progress and their own tutoring strategy. What worked? What didn't? Their insights feed back into the system, making the AI a better co-pilot for the next session. These insights also inform the AI to provide even more personalized coaching. Each month, tutors receive reports with personalized encouragement, showing their growth and specific strategies to improve. This continuous loop of feedback ensures every hour of tutoring is more effective than the last. Plus isn't just an app for tutors. It's a service system connecting 4 groups. Philanthropic foundations provide funding. Plus uses this to train and pay college students with STEM backgrounds as tutors. These tutors deliver one-on-one instruction. Schools receive the service for free and share progress data in return. Researchers analyze this data to prove impact and validate what's working, creating the evidence foundations need. As the system operates, it improves. AI gets sharper, training becomes faster, cost per student drops. What started foundation funded becomes sustainable. Schools can eventually self-fund as efficiency increases. The system scales. The math is simple. Traditional tutoring costs $2,000 per student. The Plus system makes it 100 times cheaper, as we engage both humans and AI in the loop. Let's get students a plus for every class.